Are you tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks that drain your time and resources? Are you struggling to create engaging content that resonates with your audience? What if there was a way to automate these tasks and create personalized experiences for your audience? Enter Chatgpt and Midjourney, two powerful AI tools that can help you streamline your operations, save time, and generate passive income. But before we dive into how to use these tools, let's understand what they are. Chatgpt, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI language model created by OpenAI. It was first introduced in 2019 and has since then become one of the most popular AI models in the world. Chatgpt uses machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to natural language inputs, allowing it to simulate human-like conversations with users. Its ability to understand and respond to natural language makes it a versatile tool that can be used in various applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and content generation. Midjourney, on the other hand, is an AI automation platform created by a team of developers who wanted to make it easier for businesses to automate their processes. It uses a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer support, and marketing campaigns. This frees up time and resources for businesses to focus on more important tasks such as product development and customer engagement. Midjourney's ability to automate complex tasks makes it a valuable tool for the business looking to streamline their operations and improve their bottom line. Together, Chatgpt and Midjourney offer a powerful combination of natural language processing and automation capabilities that can be used to create unique and personalized experiences for users. By using Chatgpt to understand user preferences and interests, and then using Midjourney to automate the creation and delivery of personalized content, businesses can create engaging experiences that can help build brand loyalty and generate revenue. In addition to their business applications, Chatgpt and Midjourney are also being used in various research and academic applications. Chatgpt has been used to study human language behavior, while Midjourney has been used to develop new AI algorithms and techniques. Creating and selling personalized products. Creating and selling personalized products is a lucrative business model that has gained significant traction in recent years. With the advent of advanced AI tools like Chatgpt and Midjourney, creating and selling personalized products has become easier and more accessible to businesses and entrepreneurs. Personalized products have a high perceived value and can be sold at a premium price, making them an attractive proposition for businesses. With Chatgpt, businesses can generate unique designs based on the customer's preferences and requirements, creating a personalized product that is truly one of a kind. Midjourney can then be used to automate the production process, enabling businesses to efficiently manufacture and deliver personalized products to customers. This results in a faster turnaround time, reducing the cost of production and increasing profitability. Personalization options for items range from personalized apparel and accessories to personalized home decor and computer gadgets. A bespoke t-shirt company, for example, can utilize Chatgpt to develop unique designs depending on the customer's hobbies and preferences. Midjourney may then be utilized to print and then send the t-shirt straight to the consumer, resulting in a smooth and easy buying experience. Another example is a bespoke jewelry company that uses Chatgpt to develop unique designs based on the preferences of the buyer. Midjourney may then be utilized to automate the manufacturing process, resulting in a high-quality piece of jewelry that is personalized to the customer's interests and preferences. Create and sell virtual assistants. Creating and selling virtual assistants is another lucrative business model that can be facilitated by Chatgpt and Midjourney. Virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular as businesses and individuals look for ways to streamline their operations and increase productivity. Chatgpt can be used to generate responses to customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and perform other administrative tasks. Midjourney can then be used to automate the delivery of these responses as businesses and individuals look for ways to streamline their operations and increase productivity. Chatgpt can be used to generate responses to customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and perform other administrative tasks. Midjourney can then be used to automate the delivery of these responses, creating a seamless and efficient process that frees up time for businesses and individuals. Entrepreneurs can leverage the power of Chatgpt and Midjourney to create and sell virtual assistant services to businesses and individuals. For example, a small business could benefit from a virtual assistant that can manage their social media presence and respond to customer inquiries. An entrepreneur could use ChatGPT to generate responses to customer inquiries in Midjourney to automate the delivery of those responses, creating a cost-effective and efficient virtual assistant service. Another example is an individual who needs help managing their daily tasks. A virtual assistant can be created to perform tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and setting reminders. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney, an entrepreneur can create and sell virtual assistant services to individuals who need help managing their busy lives. The possibilities for virtual assistant services are endless, and the market for these services is growing rapidly. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney, entrepreneurs can create and sell virtual assistant services that are fast, affordable, and personalized to the needs of their clients. Create and sell content creation services. Creating and selling content creation services is another excellent way to leverage the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney to generate passive income. As the demand for quality content continues to grow, businesses and individuals are looking for efficient and cost-effective ways to create and publish content. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content that is tailored to the needs of the target audience. Midjourney can then be used to automate the publication process, enabling businesses and individuals to efficiently publish content on their website or social media channels. Entrepreneurs can leverage the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney to create and sell content creation services to businesses and individuals. For example, a small business could benefit from a content creation service that generates blog posts, social media posts, and other marketing content. An entrepreneur could use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content and Midjourney to automate the publication process, creating a cost-effective and efficient content creation service. Another example is a person who requires assistance in developing and releasing content for their own brand or blog. To generate high-quality material and automate the publication process, a content production service may be built. An entrepreneur may build and offer content production services to those who require assistance in generating and distributing content by using the capabilities of ChatGPT and Midjourney. The opportunities for content production services are limitless, and the market for these services is continually expanding. Entrepreneurs can build and sell content production services that are fast, economical, and tailored to the needs of their clients by harnessing the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney. The possibilities of ChatGPT and Midjourney are truly limitless. These tools have revolutionized the way businesses and individuals can make money online by creating a platform for entrepreneurs to create and sell innovative services that were only once available to those with deep pockets and advanced technical skills. With the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney at your fingertips, you can turn your passion into a profitable business venture that requires minimal effort to maintain. The flexibility of these tools allows you to choose the type of service you want to offer, the target market you want to cater to, and the pricing structure that suits your needs. Imagine being able to create personalized products that people around the world will love and cherish, or offering virtual assistant services that make life easier for busy professionals. Or maybe you have a talent for creating engaging content and want to turn that into a lucrative business by offering content creation services to businesses and individuals. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. ChatGPT and Midjourney are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical background or expertise. With a little bit of creativity and some hard work, you can create and sell services that generate a steady stream of passive income. In today's fast-paced world, where time is money and efficiency is key, ChatGPT and Midjourney are the perfect tools to help you achieve your financial goals. So why wait? Take advantage of these innovative AI tools today and start your journey towards creating a successful online business that generates passive income for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos.